Alright, we're back for Japan City Day 2. So this is Day 2 of setup, and today is also when everything goes down, the whole event happens. It's about to get crazy. Hey! Hey! What's up, dude?
It's like grinding the top of.
Did I really?
I gotta take the green down still.
Dude, alright, look at that. How's it going, man?
Get a shot of him grinding the top of the best in short shot.
Same thing as the first place.
Okay.
It's just these are the runner-ups. And then these are the first place ones.
Nice.
And then we got this one, Japanese flag, the outsiders thing, and then the orange.
Dude, that's dope. This man right here pushing a whole Evo 10 by himself. Okay, so now we're in the process of moving all the cars around. We gotta clean up the shop a little bit. So right now, we're with this really dead 6 red Evo 10 over here, HKS ready. HKS intercooler, sorry about that. There's so many like cool things already here. There's a lot of cool things that are gonna be showing up. Super excited. So now we gotta, clean up, move things around, and get set up. Go over here. There's another part of Japan City that's going on. So we got this really cool like RC drift track that's going on. Hey, do you want to tell us about this drift track?
RC drift tracks. The local guys have been drifting on this particular track for a couple events now. This one's going to be a competition. Some guys are coming from out of town. So we're going to compete. Me and Tokyo will be judging. It'll be all-wheel drive and then rear-wheel drive. I'm doing the long, tedious task of setting it up.
Yeah, I love how you already got your Japan's City shirt all dirty.
Japan's shitty, come on.
Dude, I didn't mean to. Japan's City. Don't
Yeah, it's
let
already,
Armando know.
Covered in crap because I had to work on the Supra, but
Yeah. Armando, if you're watching this, I didn't mean to say shitty. It's great.
hey, Mondo, if you do watch this, just remember he did mean to say Japan's shitty. He said, I like that you're wearing your Japan's a shitty shirt.
I meant to say city. What we got here? What do we have here?
Top secret, you can't look.
Oh, okay.
So basically when you're, that's because it's Japan. It's backwards.
Alright, we're doing a dangerous jump. Parkour, parkour! Yes! I was gonna say this now, well, I still remember that, like, we're right by the downtown airport, the private, smaller airport, so we have, like, jets and planes that fly over all the time. Also, I'm really stuffed up, so I'm sorry if I sound ugly, but I'm trying hard not to sound like it, so just bear with that. Race car!
Emilio?
Yeah!
Alright, I gotta do some parkour. Wow! Ninja swap. Camera. Oh, I missed you guys. I thought I lost you guys. We're safe. Alright, we're good. I gotta believe in you.
Fat ass ain't getting up here.
No, you can make it. We're Japan's City. We're all about being ninjas. Dude, you got this.
This is what a future competition.
Yes.
It's hard to do it with I drifted.
Alright, me and Augie are running over to Wendy's, get some food, because we haven't eaten today. We've been running around. It's time to get some good food. You ever like not eaten in a while, all of a sudden you get some food and it just breathes like a massive amount of life into you? That's literally what this Wendy's is doing to me right now. It's beautiful. So we're taking a quick lunch break and then we're gonna get back to filming and setting up. You look like you could use some help.
No, it's not heavy at all. It's the damn sandbag.
Yeah. Woo! Road is officially closed. We now own this road.
Road's closed, Pizza Boy.
This road is ours. Man, everyone is using that reference. Oh, and just an update on that building that we are hoping that they would push the wall in. They got it all taken care of. It's actually hasn't fallen down, so rip on that one. All right, guys, we're gonna rip this big wheel real quick. It's a drift one. I'm gonna let Augie man the camera here, so if it sucks, it's not my fault.
Why you gotta put that on me?
Yes. I can't even tell you how excited I am for this thing. Oh, it didn't work.
You gotta give it some power.
Yeah, I can't turn it that truck. Someone finally has longer legs than me. Hey, squad. No! What?
Okay.
That's how you're supposed to do that. That's how you do it. Not like I did. Not like I did. I'm still setting up. I'll show you guys. This first place trophy. See, that is the outside of the logo. First place. This is for the runner-ups. What their trophies look like. It's pretty sweet. And this is the best one. This is number one. Win it. Take it home. Look at all that. Alright, there's some cool supercars already showing up, so we're gonna go across through real quick, check this bad boy out right over here. Oh, that's right. Oh, it's hidden. This is a barn find. This is a friggin' barn find if you play Forza. Look at that. That's a friggin' Toyota Matrix. Look at that some bitch right there. That's one bad boy.
This seems to be a problem.
Oh, yeah. Show me the sex. Show me the sex, man. Oh, God. Hi, friend.
I don't know, they act like they own the place.
Attention to detail.
Oh.
Yeah. See, now the entire place looks so much better now.
It's on now.
Yep. Fam, that is not a parking spot. I can tell you that right now. Ooh, get him. Get him. We'll go back over here. Augie and Tokyo are freaking packaging all this. Look at this. Look how good you guys are doing with all this.
Indeed.
That is quality. I just want you guys to know that.
But what do you want, Andrew? I'm doing work.
So are you guys telling me if I walk through this, I'm in Tokyo? What?
It only works at 6 o'clock.
Oh, crap.
How much money is it to enter?
15.
15 plus 10 if you go on drift, fam. It's called
That is
sliding.
not a parking spot. That is not a parking spot.
Are you entering in the show? Oh well, then you got to park underneath the bridge.
What? I just got to see what y'all are doing.
Setting up for a show.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, shout out to Stella Rosa for flying a banner over us tonight. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. Get out of here, Rain. Oh. That's what's going on here,
And that
guys.
was 3 minutes ago.
So we're getting that right there. So, but it will be gone. It will be gone. That's right, man. Get it. It is an hour till showtime. 1 hour till showtime. We're getting set up. We're getting there. Hey guys, we're here. This is Tokyo.
Oi!
You drive a 240, right?
Yes.
Some people know it as the Angry Panda.
The car is the Angry Panda.
So yeah, it's 240. We're
I've had it for 5 years. The Angry Panda is a humble car. Only makes 150 wheel horsepower. But with that, we have a lot of fun.
There we go. Yeah, we'll go outside and we'll look at it. We have to talk loud now because the DJ's here. So if it sounds like we're yelling, I apologize. But this is her. This is it. The Angry Panda.
Angry Panda.
This awesome hat. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Look at all that.
I mean,
He's clean. His hands are clean. He's all clean shaven. Look at all that. Oh my lord.
All right, watch out. This one.
What? Yeah, you're right. Hold the brakes. We need to go get that battery. I don't want to.
Hey, we got it this time. Oh, we're zoomed in really far. So we had to walk all the way freaking down here. You see, like everything's way back there. So we had to come down here where the road closed, see Armando, see what's going on down here. And we got the friggin' man in charge right here. Look at that, boys and girls.
I feel so official with this on.
Dude,
like,
yeah, you're looking good right now. You're looking good. What we got going on here?
These are raffle tickets for advanced auto parts giveaways.